haven't seen it.
I haven't seen this photo yet. You?
No. I haven't watched too much TV.
He's coming up from the country tomorrow. And coming here? Yeah, he's coming to the show. He wants to come in. He's coming to the show. He's got tickets. Bob Dylan's wife is momentarily expecting a baby. So Dylan called and he was just talking about it. Dylan thought it was.
What is going on?
How about Mick, you know Jerry, don't you?
Yeah.
They're ready to take off.
I know. How is everyone else getting there?
There's a big plane coming. There's a big plane. Big one coming in just a couple of minutes. I don't know, man. We've been here some time now.
How long have you been here?
Oh, upwards of a couple of hours.
No.
Yes, really.
But we had a marvelous lunch.
Oh, what do you mean, man? You're gonna...
Marvelous lunch.
Oh, what?
It won't be long.
Not long now. We'll get higher yet.
They ain't allowed to fly at night, so how we get out of there's another problem.
Oh, not allowed to fly at night. I was out, wasn't it insane out there last night? I did. You should have come. You wouldn't have believed it. You would not have believed it.
It's really nice. Well, I hear that they haven't even got their sound system set up yet.
No, that's not true.
Well, it is true, because we're stopping off on the way to pick up their power apps at another airport.
You mean there's no music yet?
What about Tony's already?
You mean there's no music yet? Ah, no, come on then. What's the time? There's no music yet. It's 2 o'clock. They haven't started.
Don't say things like that, Stu.
Well,
please. I'm
oh.
only saying what I've been told.
There's a big one that's overdue, so I want to find out if it went down or if it's going to be here. 25 seaters. Oh, it's supposed to be doing. I have them checking right now.
It should be here.
Right.
We
It's supposed to be here
booked
too. Yeah. 10 minutes for the big copter.
Okay, fucking hell, right. Right, film people. Let's do something. We got 10 minutes. You stand there, right? Take her head on. Take her from this angle. Oi, this way. Take from this angle. You're in on her face. You're right in on her face. Tighter, 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 tighter. Stand very still. Stay on her. Charlie, do the same thing as I did. Charlie, kiss the young lady, please. Come on, on the forehead.
Love is much more of a deeper thing than that. It's not flippant to be thrown away on celluloid.
No.
That's it. Well done.
Okay, we cut.